So this is the final look. Look at your thing. Easy and fast. Hello beautiful people, hope you are doing fine and keeping safe. So today I'm going to show you how to do a very simple hairstyle even at the comfort of your home. And for the few subscribers, thank you very much, and don't forget to hit the notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. And for the other people, please subscribe, and you can also like and share my videos to other people. Thank you and be blessed. For the first step, you're going to use a needle and a thread that you'll pass through your hair until you make a cornrow. You're going to take your thread, place it on your hair, and then take your needle, pass it through your hair. Just slowly make sure it doesn't pierce you. For this, you're going to take your needle, pass it through halfway, you don't go to the end. Then go to the other side, pass it through halfway through your hair. And you'll continue with the same process until you make a cornrow. For the middle part, I'm going to use rubber bands to divide it into 6 sections, and then I'll use the rubber bands to make the cornrow. To make the cornrow, I'll take the first section, divide it into two, then join it to the third section with a rubber band. I'll again take the second section, divide it into two, then join it to the fourth section using another rubber band. And then take the third section, divide it into two, and join it to the fifth section using another rubber band. And again take the fourth section that was connected with the second section, connect it to the sixth section. I'll then take the fifth and the sixth section and make a braid at the end. I also managed to braid 2 cornrows at the back going to the After doing the cornrows, I crocheted my afro bulky hair into a ponytail.